So I just saw the movie called Black Widow with Scarlett Johansson. This is a movie review for Christians. Pray the movies. And I was a little disappointed. It's a Marvel movie. You expect a lot from Marvel. And it just never seemed to really take off the way it should. Transcend the mundane. You just kind of, there's some bright moments, some cute moments, whimsical. A lot of drama, relational drama, not as much action. Some like that, some don't, I don't know. But, you know, the main thing is to pray the movies, so I'm thinking of what can I pray about during this movie. And one thing that came to mind was the power of the Holy Spirit over our emotions and intellect, trusting in the Spirit. Kind of like, you know, Star Wars, let the Force be with you, but this is the real Force, not just some kind of fictional Scooby-Doo type stuff. And then at the end I was thinking the importance of real life relationships over mechanical, digitalized animation. There's no animation in this, but I'm saying computerized world that we're becoming more and more prone to. We need real human relations in it. As we're coming out of the COVID lockdown too, it's a reminder of that. We need to interact with each other on a human level. God bless you all. Continue to pray the movies in the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit.